Hey, Hannah Marie, rate this burp. Thoughts on that one?
I give it a 7 out of 10.
Ooh.
I got a better one. Hold on. I got a better one. Hold on.
You better not rate his burp higher than me. I swear to God. I swear to God.
That was better.
That one was honestly an 8. I'm very sorry.
Shit. Oh, shit, an 8. Oh, you know what rhymes with 8?
What?
Just don't even answer.
You just giggled over the mic and that was it. Like a nervous little schoolboy.
How was that one? Rate it.
I'd give that one a 9. That was louder than your last one.
Ooh. Thank you, Hannah.
Ooh,
You're moving up in the world.
I'm fucking heated right now.
I'm gonna put in a big old fat lip for that one. You want some tobacco? Hey, Hannah, you want to pack a fat lip with me? Goddamn it! I'll give you some tobacco. You just stick it in right there on your lip.
The lips on your face. The lips on your face. That's where you stick it in.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Thanks for clarifying.
Just confirming the right lips here.
Damn it, Hannah. Dip ain't for pussies.
Oh my God.
Mcnasty, will you shut the fuck up for 2 goddamn seconds?
Dude, seriously. This guy fits right in.
Say, I want to record with this guy.
Yeah, let's get this guy in the Discord.
This is why Soup's the funniest YouTuber. Also, like, on a real note, when's the next GTA trolling coming out?
Yeah, why don't you just keep continuing to suck his cock? He's really loving it over here.
Someone sounds jealous.
You know, sometimes I feel like Helen Keller kind of had the right idea.
Yeah.
I rest my case.
Point proven.
Wait.
Okay, Mcnasty, we get it.
You
don't need
toxic sludge.
I am wanting to clear my throat, my friend.
Toxic sludge.
Is that gonna be your next song?
Toxic sludge.
Caught in the toxic sludge.
Yeah.
Caught in the toxic sludge.
Caught in Mcnasty's stomach.
I would literally rather get executed with a butter knife.
Alrighty then. It's like some Mexican mafia shit.
Mexican mafia?
Yeah. You ever seen those videos where they like behead somebody with a rusty saw? It's fucking brutal.
No, I've never seen
Mcnasty, what do you do on weekends?
No wonder you're such a mentally disturbed person.
If you yawn one more time, I'm gonna beat your uncle.
Kiss me.
Where?
Makuchi. Makuchi. Makuchi.
It's like casting a spell. Kiss a Makuchi. It sounds like a terrorist show.
Call of Duty call out, yeah.
Grab some Makuchi.
I guess you can really say anything fast in that voice and it sounds like it. Go on, grocery shopping. Get a cup of coffee.
Playing with a fidget spinner.
I was directly involved in 9/11.
Take Cheney member of the Iraq War. Some of it does have white power.
What?
Like a racist scat man.
White power.
What? Wasn't scat?
Hitler did nothing wrong.
Oh my God.
Just used his music to promote propaganda. Oh my God.
Good?
Ew.
It's like you farted out.
Oh, yeah, Mcnasty. Yeah. It's a fart out of
What did you just say?
Did you say fart out of a pussy?
Yeah, I thought you said that too.
Walks into a room full of females like, all right, who farted out of their pussy?
I can smell it.
Smells like fish taco, my friend. Who did it?
I like Cheeto dust and butter.
Ew.
I'd go down on that pussy.
Smell like Vaseline and stale biscuits.
What does stale biscuit smell like?
Smells like pancake batter and dog nails.
We're starting to get into that type of comedy again. We're going that direction. I don't like it.
It's going downhill again. It smells like gorilla steak and Play-Doh.
What the
Like
fuck
fish fry oil and rabbit hair.
Oh God, this is so AIDS.
Why is it funny though? Is the question?
Smells like sloth jerky and ass cheek.
Sloth jerky.
What is sloth jerky?
I don't know. It's very keto.
I feel like it'd be really chewy. Who just farted? Who just fucking farted? That was so bassy.
Somebody just like scooted a metal chair across a metal floor.
Dude, that was so bassy. It was like unbelievable.
I told you I needed to shit, dude.
Dude just shit his pants.
Is there a hole in your chair now?
Mortar shell coming out.
Sounded like one of those.
Striking back.
That sounded like a warthog.
Just an A10 warthog flying over.
I did the sound effects for cut, dude.
Oh my God.
There's a storm coming in my butt.
It sounded like the puffer fish.
Yeah, right there at the end.
There it is.
What if it made that noise?
Me whenever I eat a carrot.
Just a projectile vomiting everywhere. That's so retarded.
We laugh at noises now. Hey, I found my weave. Can you give me your funniest sound effect?
I don't got one, Seth.
Nah, do a sound effect with your mouth.
I'm sorry, can't do them, man.
You know what, dude? You're a fucking buzzkill. You know that?
My friend, you can go.
My friend, can you not do the? My friend, just go.
Like a horse.
My friend, can you not do the?
My friend, just go.
My friend, go. Dude, it sounds like when you turn the radio station. And it's just
It's like in between stations.
some Middle Eastern.
Sounds like one of those uneven audio fucking infomercial commercials you get at like a hotel where it's just fucking screaming.
Come check out the pool.
You are listening to 91.1.
Free Wi-Fi.
And now we're gonna go to a commercial break.
Just Bob Ross.
Come on, goddamn party! Toilet on, motherfuckers!
I thought you said come by and buy a cardigan.
Dude, you did not just say that to me during Chevy truck.
Grizzy.
What?
And then you didn't.
Slavery. Did you just bass drop after I said that?
Slavery. Master.
Say Skrillex in the 1800s.
Picking cotton.
Scary owners scaring slaves.
Oh my god.
Scary slaves and nice masters. That's fucked.
Hey, Grizzy, can you please laugh?
Grizzy, how are you not laughing at that? What the fuck is wrong?
Chrissy, who hurt you? Was it Skrillex?
No.
Was it
Master?
Skrillex's?
Do you only have one foot that we know about?
What the fuck?
That's the worst thing you've ever said, Blarg. Oh. Was it Master? Metallica lets the retard on stage.
Yeah, I was gonna say, are you playing Metallica right now? Darkness,
Down syndrome, imprisoning me. I cannot count.
I cannot color inside the lines.
I'm really tempted to eat my own shit.
Really tempted.
Really thinking about it.
Been mulling it over for months. Think I might go ahead and do it.
Today might be the day.
This is fucked.